spring rain.
What should I make for breakfast this morning? Oh? Oh? Who's there? It's rain! It's the spring rain! Rain?
Rain is heralding the arrival of spring in Fairy Tale Land. Raindrops are knocking on the windows.
Rain wants to play with us!
Wow, really? It really does.
Should we go outside?
Yay, yay! Then I'll go get our umbrellas. Wow, it's so nice listening to the rain. Wow! Let's go over there.
Oh? Wow! Under the tree, we don't need umbrellas.
The raindrops on the leaves are making plop, plop sounds.
Franky! You shouldn't kick trees!
I'm sorry, tree.
Oh, should we go up that hill? We might be able to hear a different type of sound.
Okay.
The wet rock is rolling to make a squish, squish sound.
Rain sounds funny!
You can see the entire Fairy Tale Land from here. Pinocchio sharing his umbrella with Kong Kong.
The raindrops formed a puddle.
There's another me in there!
Walking in a puddle makes a splish, splash sound.
Puddles make splashing sounds! Rice field?
Oh,
sizzle, sizzle!
Rain doesn't sizzle.
Sizzle, sizzle! All this talk of sizzling makes me want to eat John.
What? Did you just say you want John?
Nothing like Korean pancakes on a rainy day.
Yeah, cool, but what kind of John?
Zucchini John?
Zucchini John?
Sounds so good!
Let's go.
Oh, wait, Franky and Friends! Wow, it's the same color as me. Me too.
Hey, veggies.
What?
Mine is the biggest.
All of them pick veggies that look like themselves.
Veggies, veggies, they look like us. Oh, how good they are, so wonderful. Oh, how they look just like us. And they make us cheerful. Frankie, are you done? Frankie, are you not? Ah! You scared me. Stop it!
Wow!
Let's eat! It's so good! So yummy!
This is the best meal ever.
You always say it's the best.
Yeah, but it always is.
For me too!
On rainy days, zucchini John and warm pumpkin soup are the best.